opinion, best lean protein foods to eat. Incorporating lean protein foods into your diet is essential for maintaining muscle mass, promoting satiety, and supporting overall health. Here's a detailed list of some of the best lean protein foods to eat. 1. Nutritional info * about 165 calories and 31 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Benefits * low in fat and high in protein, making it ideal for muscle building and weight management. Preparation tips * grilled, baked, or sautéed with minimal oil to keep it lean. 2. Turkey breast. Nutritional info * approximately 135 calories and 30 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Benefits * very low in fat and a great source of protein. Preparation tips * roast, grill, or use in sandwiches and salads. 3. Fish, such as cod, haddock, and tilapia. Nutritional info * around 90 to 110 calories and 20 to 25 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, depending on the type of fish. Benefits * low in calories, high in protein, and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Preparation tips * bake, grill, or steam with herbs and lemon for added flavor. 4. Shellfish, shrimp, crab, and lobster. Nutritional info * about 85 calories and 20 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, for shrimp. Benefits * low in fat and high in protein, also providing essential minerals like iodine and zinc. Preparation tips * steamed, grilled, or boiled. Avoid butter and heavy sauces to keep them lean. 5. Eggs and egg whites. Nutritional info * 1 large egg contains about 70 calories and 6 grams of protein. Egg whites contain about 17 calories and 3.6 grams of protein per white. Benefits * eggs are nutrient dense and contain essential amino acids. Egg whites are fat-free and high in protein. Preparation tips * boiled, poached, or scrambled. Use more whites if you need to cut down on fat. 6. Greek yogurt, non-fat or low-fat. Nutritional info * about 100 calories and 10 grams of protein per 6-ounce serving. Benefits * high in protein, probiotics, and calcium. Low-fat versions keep the calorie count down. Preparation tips * eat plain or with fruit, use in smoothies or as a base for dips. 7. Cottage cheese, low-fat or fat-free. Nutritional info * approximately 80 to 100 calories and 11 grams of protein per 1/2 cup serving. Benefits * high in casein protein, which is slow digesting and helps with muscle repair and growth. Preparation tips * enjoy plain, with fruit, or as part of a savory dish. 8. Lean beef, such as sirloin, tenderloin, and 95% lean ground beef. Nutritional info * about 150 to 200 calories and 25 to 30 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, depending on the cut. Benefits * rich in protein, iron, and vitamin B12. Opt for lean cuts to reduce fat intake. Preparation tips * grill, broil, or roast. Trim visible fat and avoid heavy sauces. 9. Pork loin. Nutritional info * around 160 calories and 25 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Benefits * leaner than many other cuts of pork, high in protein and various vitamins and minerals. Preparation tips * roast, grill, or bake. Trim excess fat and season with herbs and spices. 10. Tofu, firm or extra firm. Nutritional info * approximately 70 to 80 calories and 8 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces, 100 grams. Benefits * a great plant-based protein source, low in fat and cholesterol-free. Preparation tips * stir fry, bake, or grill, marinate to add flavor. 11. Edamame, soybeans. Nutritional info * about 120 calories and 11 grams of protein per 1/2 cup serving, shelled. Benefits * high in protein, fiber, and essential amino acids. Preparation tips * steam or boil, season with a bit of salt or your favorite spices. 12. Lentils. Nutritional info * roughly 230 calories and 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Benefits * rich in protein, fiber, and various micronutrients. Low in fat. Preparation tips * cook into soups, stews, or salads, season with herbs and spices. 13. Chickpeas, garbanzo beans. Nutritional info * around 270 calories and 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. Benefits * high in protein and fiber, making them very filling. Preparation tips * add to salads, soups, or blend into hummus. 14. Quinoa. Nutritional info * approximately 220 calories and 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. Benefits *, a complete protein source with all 9 essential amino acids, also high in fiber. Preparation tips *, cook as a side dish, add to salads, or use as a base for bowls. 15. Protein powders, whey, casein, pea, hemp. Nutritional info * varies by product, typically around 100 to 150 calories and 20 to 25 grams of protein per scoop. Benefits * convenient source of high-quality protein, easily digestible. Preparation tips * mix with water, milk, or into smoothies, use in baking recipes. These lean protein foods can be easily incorporated into a balanced diet to help support muscle growth, weight management, and overall health.